Hi, Mandy Hopper, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant. Welcome to June 2019 and some awesome customer specials. I have here in my little hands the Fuchsia kitchen towel and kitchen cloth set, which is our first special. They are normally $31.98 and they're on special this month for $24.30. We love these kitchen towels. I don't know if you can see behind me, but we use them 24/7. This is a great weave. It's different than what's in the catalog, but it is a neat weave. It's actually my husband's favorite set. So there's that. And then this is the Fresh Savings Pack, and it consists of the fresh produce wash and the produce bags. They normally are $39.98 and they are on sale for $35.98. I use these in the last couple days to wash strawberries, to wash lettuce, and a bunch of other things. I just fill up the sink and put a little bit of the fresh wash in. I think it's just about a cap full. And then just wash all the produce and tomatoes. What else did I put in there? Anyway, several different things, and just with one sink full with that little cap full, which is super great. The produce bags are wonderful for produce, but also we use them as we travel for laundry. I often have dirty stuff in here. Well, not in this particular one, but and then also my daughter uses them for small toys, and I use them for stacks, even of my own, in my own purse. So they are really handy, and that is this #2 special. And then this is the spend and get, very exciting spend and get for the month of June. If you spend $125, there it is right there, as a customer during this month, you can purchase the special edition, limited edition Sea Mist bath mat, which is this wonderful thing. All right, along with the chenille hand towel in Sea Mist, both very popular, for $40 only. And that's a savings of $35.98. So definitely get in on these specials for June and have a great summer.